Welcome to the AI Blogs post, where we dive into the mesmerizing world of AI tools. Get ready to be blown away by the incredible capabilities of Leonardo.ai. In just under 2 minutes, you'll learn how to effortlessly create stunning images. Here's the step-by-step guide. 1. Open www.leonardo.ai. 2. Click on the Get Started button. 3. Sign up or log in using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can sign up with your email and password. 4. Explore the endless possibilities of image creation from the dashboard. Here are some exciting options to try. Phoenix, the ultimate power to generate breathtaking visuals. Prompt Enhance, up your prompt game for even better results. Preset styles, choose from realistic, cartoonish, abstract, and more. Contrast, adjust the contrast level for stunning depth and crystal clear clarity. Generation mode, select your desired level of speed, accuracy, or high quality. Image dimensions, customize the size and aspect ratio to your heart's desire. Number of images, pick your preferred number of variations to generate. Advanced settings, fine-tune the guidance scale, image quality, and so much more. 5. Type in your prompt within the text box and press the magical Generate button. 6. In a matter of seconds, your masterpiece will be ready for download. Discover the joy of effortless image creation with Leonardo.ai and let your creativity soar to new heights. Thank you.